This is the most important word you'll hear today if you own XRP. It's important that you know about this right away if you own XRP or read my posts. Something very important just came to light that could change everything. It's about your finances, your plan, and even the future of XRP. This isn't just another guess or prediction about the price. This is real, needs to be done right away, and could have an unexpected effect on your asset. You could miss out on a huge chance, or even worse, if you're not paying attention. Mess up and lose everything. Right now, there are flashing key signs. Some of them point to a breakout, while others warn of possible dangers. But one thing is for sure, the next thing that happens could be the most important moment for people who invested in XRP. Keep listening, because I'm about to explain exactly what's going on, why this is such an important time, and what you need to do right now to stay safe and make the most of your gains. Things are changing quickly in the world of XRP in a big way. Recent events have sent shockwaves through the market, leaving investors asking what will happen next. XRP is in a very important situation right now thanks to new rules, a big move by an institution, or a quick change in how the market feels. The ongoing fight between Ripple and the SEC is one of the main reasons for this urgency. Many people thought that the legal problems were almost over, but new reports say that important talks are still going on. The outcome of these talks could decide whether the value of XRP goes through the roof or there is more uncertainty. Some sources think that a final settlement could happen faster than expected, which could bring in a lot of institutional investors who have been waiting. But there is also the chance of new problems, sudden changes in the law, tighter rules, or even delays that could make investors lose faith. The price of XRP is sending mixed signs at the same time. Some experts say that technical charts with bullish indicators show that a huge breakout might be coming soon. Others say there might be a short-term drop before the real trend starts to go up. The market changes quickly, and if you make the wrong choice, you could miss out on gains that could change your life or see your stock go down in value. What does this all mean for people who own XRP? Is this the time when XRP will reach new all-time highs, or is there a risk that we don't know about? To fully grasp what's at stake, we need to take a closer look at the chance that lies ahead, because if the stars align, it's possible that the price of XRP is about to go through one of the biggest jumps we've ever seen. The question that everyone has is, could XRP be about to make a huge jump? There are some experts who think that the conditions are right for a huge price increase. The chance that institutions will accept it is one of the main reasons for this optimism. Big financial firms, hedge funds, and even banks could start putting a lot of money into XRP once the legal fight with the SEC is over. XRP was made to be useful in the real world, while many other coins were only used for speculation. Because it can handle cross-border payments instantly and for a small fraction of the cost of standard banking systems, it has a good chance of becoming widely used. Technical research is another important thing that is making people more optimistic. XRP has been showing strong accumulation patterns for a few weeks now. These patterns usually mean that big buyers are getting ready for a price surge. Some analysts are calling out important levels of resistance that, if broken, could set off a parabolic run. In the past, XRP has moved quickly when it gets going. Just look at past bull runs where XRP went up by a huge amount in just a few weeks. If the past is any indication, there could be another huge move, especially if market conditions stay good in general. But what about guessing prices? A lot of experts think that XRP could hit new all-time highs. Others think it could go as high as $10,000 or even $1,000. The wildest predictions, like XRP hitting $8,300, are based on what might happen if global financial systems accept Ripple's technology and XRP becomes an important part of the digital payments revolution. In the short term, that level may not seem possible, but the fact that it has been predicted shows how much promise XRP has. Now, the big question is, will everything work out just right, or are there risks that we don't know about that could stop this momentum? Even though there is a chance to make a lot of money, it is also important to know what could go wrong and send XRP in the opposite way. Let's go over the risks that everyone who owns XRP should be aware of. People are getting more and more excited about XRP's possible breakout. but there are still big risks that all investors need to think about. The unpredictability of regulations is one of the biggest worries. No matter what deal Ripple makes with the SEC, that doesn't mean that XRP will never be challenged in court again. New rules could be put in place by the regulatory bodies in the US and around the world. The crypto space is still changing, and governments around the world need to take more steps to make sure they are following the rules. It might make people less likely to buy it and slow down its price rise. Changes in the market are another big risk. Prices for cryptocurrencies like XRP change very quickly. Price drops often happen right in the middle of a bull run. Big investors in whales who own a lot of XRP can change the market by selling off their shares, which causes sharp drops that scare off small investors. You could sell in a hurry at the worst possible time and miss the next big move if you aren't ready for these. Then there's the matter of competition. XRP is a great way to send money across borders, but it's not the only project that wants to change the way money works. Cryptocurrencies issued by central banks, stablecoins, and even other blockchain networks are all trying to get the same market share. Its growth could be slowed down if states or big banks choose to push their own cryptocurrency instead of adopting XRP. Last but not least, every investor should remember the difference between hype and truth. The thought of XRP reaching crazy price goals like $8,300 sounds crazy, but in fact, the market would have to be worth trillions of dollars for that to happen. Something that won't happen right away, if ever. It's important to tell the difference between reasonable expectations and over-the-top predictions about XRP. Instead of just hoping for huge gains quickly, smart investors look at long-term adoption, real-world use cases, and strong technical indicators. With all of these risks in mind, what should people who own XRP do now? If you buy more, hold or cash out. In the next part, we'll break it down. The most important question right now is what XRP users should do with all the things that are happening. As the price continues to rise, should you buy more, hold your stock, or sell to make money? The answer relies on your plan, how comfortable you are with risk, and how well you know the market. If you think XRP will be valuable in the long run, keeping your investment could be a good idea. Many institutions may start to use Ripple if it wins its legal fight and regulators make things clearer. This could lead to relistings on major exchanges and real-world use cases that increase demand. XRP's price has gone through huge jumps in the past when momentum builds. If a full ball market returns, keeping could lead to big gains, but you need to be patient because XRP's growth won't happen quickly and there's always a chance of short-term volatility. If you want to get more XRP, now might be the most important time to make smart moves. Going all in at once is not a good idea. Dollar cost averaging, DCA, can help cut down on risk. So you're not fully open to sudden price drops. You should buy small amounts over time. If the price of XRP drops before a big rise, DCA lets you profit from the lower prices while still being ready for possible gains. However, if you've already made a lot of money, it's never a bad idea to get some more